Welcome to sunny Sarasota, Florida. If you're looking for a unique, dog-friendly, and stylish place to stay, then Kompose Hotel is the perfect choice. Stick around as we take you on a tour of this gem. First things first, let's talk about the vibe. Kompose Hotel is all about chic decor and modern amenities. From the moment you walk in, you'll notice the sleek design and vibrant artwork that set the tone for an unforgettable stay. Imagine lounging in a space where every corner feels like an Instagram-worthy moment. With mid-century modern furniture and eclectic touches, Kompose is a visual delight. Feeling hungry? Kompose has an on-site cafe that offers a delicious selection of breakfast and snack options. Plus, they partner with some amazing local restaurants to bring a variety of dining choices right to your doorstep. The rooms at Kompose are designed with comfort and style in mind. Spacious layouts, plush bedding, and high-tech amenities make it the perfect retreat after a day of exploring. Plus, walls and ceilings are concrete, giving the rooms a cool, industrial-chic vibe and ensuring a quiet, restful stay. So, why should you stay at Kompose Hotel? Here are 5 reasons. 1. Stylish design. If you love modern, eclectic decor, you'll feel right at home. 2. Comfortable rooms. Spacious and equipped with all the amenities you need for a relaxing stay. 3. Dog-friendly. Your furry friends are more than welcome, with dedicated spaces just for them. 4. Great location. Close to Sarasota's top attractions like Siestakeybeach and the Ringling Museum. 5. Flexible budget. Their pay for what you want model lets you customize your stay without breaking the bank. Now, let's dive into the amenities. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just want to unwind by the pool, Kompose has you covered. Their state-of-the-art fitness center is perfect for keeping up with your routine, and the outdoor pool area is great for soaking up the Florida sun. Traveling with your furry friend? Kompose Hotel is super dog-friendly. They offer a welcoming environment for pets, complete with a dedicated dog park and special treats for your 4-legged family members. Kompose Hotel is committed to providing a comfortable stay for all guests. The hotel offers accessible rooms with roll-in showers, wide doorways, and visual alarms. Common areas are also designed with accessibility in mind, featuring ramps and elevators for easy navigation. From stylish decor to top-notch amenities, Kompose Hotel offers a truly memorable stay in Sarasota. Whether you're here for the beaches, museums, or just to relax, this hotel is a fantastic choice. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video, and hit that subscribe button to join our travel community here at Get Duffel Must Travel. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy travels!